Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to tie a tie around your neck. Now, when you do this, you're going to put this around. Now, I'm not wearing a collar shirt, but you don't really need to. Now, I'm going to put this around my neck. Now, I'm left-handed dominant when I'm tying my ties, okay? So the wider end is going to be on my left side when the thinner end is going to be on my right, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you want to make sure it's about, when you're measuring this up, you want about the thin end about in the middle of your chest or the middle of your body. So mine right now, for my preference, is right under my sternum. Okay, so in the middle, right above my stomach area, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the wide end and cross over the thin end. You want the wide end over the thin end. Now, you're going to take your non-dominant hand, which is my right, and I'm going to grab this intersection right here I made. Okay, I'm going to take my dominant hand, my right hand, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it under right here. Take it under this hole. And you want to pull it the whole way out. Okay, now that I've done that, and you want to make sure you tighten it just a little bit, now that I've done that, I'm going to go under the thin end, okay, and then come across again. So what I did was, I went under, and now I'm going back over. I'm creating a loop. Now with that loop, with the wide end, you're going to take that wide end and go up in the hole here you made. Okay, pull it all the way out. And then that loop you made, which is right here when I went over the last time, you're going to put the wide end down, just like so. Okay, get it nice and straight. Now I'm going to take my non-dominant hand, I'm going to grab this knot that I made, and I'm going to pull the thin end with my dominant hand. Okay? And that, everyone. And when you're done here, you want to make sure the wide end of your tie is right above your belt buckle, okay? And then you want the thinner end shorter than the wider, because you'll look ridiculous if you don't do that. Okay? And that, everyone, is how you tie a tie.